everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shriya, a third year MBBS student at GMC at Chandigarh. Welcome to my vlog. So I know that it's been quite some time since I've recorded a vlog. I've just had a very hectic month and yesterday I checked my YouTube analytics and मैंने देखा कि मेरे last कुछ long form videos 1 month ago थे. So yeah, I just wanted to take out some time and make a vlog for all of you today. It's currently 6:35 a.m. right now. Okay, random interesting fact in between. The reason why I had to check my phone for the time is because I do not have a clock in my room. I am one of those people who hate making sound raat ko. Comment this emoji if you're also that person. So yeah, I just had tea. My bed is pretty dirty. I'm gonna make that, and uske baad I'm gonna get ready as soon as I can. I have a forensic lecture in the morning. I cannot miss because I've lost a lot of attendance just because I got 5 minutes late. So I'll try to vlog as much as I can, but yeah, let's just hurry up and get ready. Okay, so I took a shower and I got ready. I still got 20 minutes and I'm gonna have some food, pack my bag and do my skincare.
There is something that has been bothering me since like months, and that is how my hair just get greasy after one day of washing it. So अब even if I'm getting super late in the morning, मेरे को बाल धोने पड़ते हैं because they end up looking super greasy if I do not.
Also my skin starts acting up in summers because इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी, इतना ज़्यादा humid already होता है weather आजकल. So I don't apply a lot of things on my skin. I have just been sticking to applying my sunscreen lately. This is what I'm wearing, this kurti and jeans and these flats. I then had my breakfast. मैं usually सुबह पनीर की परांठी, boiled egg and लस्सी पीती हूँ, but it was Tuesday that day, so मेरे घर पे egg नहीं बनता. I quickly had my breakfast and then I just rushed for college. So I'm all set to leave for college. I've got my white coat, my bag, and I will hopefully reach in time. It's 7:35 and आजकल usually rush नहीं होता है because all of the schools have holidays going on right now. So yes, let's go. Here's a random fit check. I then left for college. आज बहुत कम rush था and सानवी को ले जाना था, so she didn't come with me and I missed her so much during the ride. It's currently 7:45 a.m. and I should reach college in 10 minutes and I should probably make it to class in time. So it's 7:55 right now. I'm gonna go to the reading room and keep my bag because आजकल वरना जगह नहीं मिलती है. हमारे juniors के exams आ रहे हैं, so the entire reading room is filled. Just as I was leaving for the reading room, I got to know कि मैम class में आ चुके हैं and I rushed to class because I did not want to miss it. No one came for the second class for 20 minutes, so I thought class नहीं लगेगी. मैं पढ़ने बैठ गई. जैसे ही मैंने 2-3 पेजेस पढ़े, हमें पता लगा कि मैम इज़ अबाउट टू कम एंड सेकंड क्लास लगेगी. It was gynae and काफ़ी जल्दी ख़त्म हो गई थी, so I was happy about that. We then went to the cafeteria to have some food. I was super hungry by 10 a.m. and I know it's not the best thing to have a samosa right in the morning, but trust me, they're too yum. You cannot miss them. We also had some chana puri, which was surprisingly not as bad as I thought. I then went to the reading room to study for half an hour and उसके बाद हमें posting जाना था, where I met my friends on the way. We rushed to the posting. आज हमने May ward जाना था and हमें एक case लेना था which we had to present. मेरी आजकल सर्जरी पोस्टिंग चल रही है एंड ओ माई गॉड इट इज़ सो हेक्टिक. आई हैव टू गो एवरी डे एंड हम हर दिन 3-3 घंटे केस लेके प्रेजेंट कर रहे होते हैं. नन ऑफ माई अदर पोस्टिंग्स हैव बीन दिस बिजी. वी टुक द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द पेशेंट. शी हैड अक्यूट कोलेसिस्टाइटिस. हमने पूरा केस कंपाइल किया एंड उसके बाद वी हैड द थ्योरी एंड देन वेंट फॉर आवर क्लास. ओके, सो हम फ्री हो गए. वी केम अराउंड 11 o'clock एंड अभी 1 o'clock हो रहा है. हम अभी हमारी 1 to 2 ब्रेक है, उसके बाद बस 2 o'clock हमारी फिर से क्लास है एंड अब हम सीधा 4 बजे फ्री होंगे.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो.
I then had one more class which I could not record. उसके बाद मैं reading room चली गई to study for some time. Okay, so I got free very early from my classes and I had to stay back in college to study. So I thought I should come and eat something. I was very hungry. So we've come to sector 8. We're gonna have pizza and उसके बाद we'll have waffles. So let's go. Okay, so I've come back to college and क्लासेस थी, पोस्टिंग पे बिजी थी, तो थोड़ी देर पढ़ के फिर मैं घर निकल जाऊँगी. I went to the reading room, but I could not record that because बहुत rush था. Extremely tired. I don't know if you can see it or not, but my whole face is so drained. I'm going to go home, take a shower or take a nap, and then have something to eat. And उसके बाद मेरे को forensic पढ़नी है. मेरा forensic का टेस्ट आ रहा है. I have mentioned it before last मेरे एक मिनी व्लॉग में भी, बट मेरा पहले लास्ट मंथ होना था टेस्ट, अब वो इस मंथ शिफ्ट हो गया है. एंड ऑनेस्टली इट हैज़ मेड एवरीथिंग सो मच वर्स बिकॉज आई गॉट सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट आई हैड टू डू दिस इन दिस मंथ. एंड I'm just trying to balance it all. There are other things that I have to study, I have to cover stuff for that. I am not very satisfied right now. I had to make this presentation for a pediatrics seminar that is tomorrow, so उसमें मेरा भी टाइम निकल गया काफ़ी ज़्यादा. But yeah, let's just hope that I'm able to get some work done when I get back home. I reached back home around 6 p.m, quickly changed my clothes and took a nap. I was so tired. Yes, I just got up. I slept for around 45 minutes and now I'm gonna have some fruit. इसके बाद I'll watch one episode of a show. मैंने आजकल Modern Family देखना शुरू किया है and I must say I am obsessed. It is such a fun, light-hearted show that just lifts up my mood, and it is actually something that I look forward to after every hectic day. एक episode देखने के बाद I am hoping that I'll feel refreshed and थोड़ा recharged, and then I'll study for some time. I'll try and sleep early आज. I know कल जल्दी उठना है because honestly at this point waking up super early or studying late till night is the only way कि सब कुछ खत्म हो पाएगा because it's so much and I'm not even exaggerating. It is a lot. Let's just hope that I complete everything that I've planned for today. Okay, so there's been a slight change of plans. I got to know that I have to make some changes in the presentation that I had mentioned before, and अभी ही मुझे भेजनी थी करके वो, तो मेरे को उसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया. वो करने के बाद आज डिनर जल्दी बन गया था, तो मैं मॉम कॉल्ड मी कि चल डिनर करने आ जा. एंड खाना खाने के बाद मैं अब वापस आई हूँ एंड अब मैं पढ़ूँगी थोड़ी देर. आई क्विकली फाइनलाइज माई प्रेजेंटेशन एंड सेंट इट. उसके बाद आई सैट डाउन टू स्टडी फॉर एन आवर. देयर वर सम टॉपिक्स जो मेरे को आज ही ख़त्म करने थे, तो वो पढ़ने के बाद आई वेंट टू बेड. ओके, सो आई एम done for the day. I'm super tired and it's currently 10:45 p.m. I will try and wake up around 6 or 5:45 a.m. tomorrow. And that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Comment this emoji if you watched this vlog till the end. Your support means everything to me. I've just got a lot going on and I genuinely just cannot wait to share all of it with you. It's just a matter of a few months and I just really want to get through this phase as quickly as I can, and having you guys support me and show love towards my content means the world to me. So yes, thank you for that. I'll see you in the next video, which will hopefully come out soon. Bye, take care.